Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. Here in this video, we are going to know about the settings of the defined custom fields. Come up to the side menu, click on settings and under organization and department, click on define custom field. Here you can see that this is the toggle button which you can toggle right to enable a specific field inside your organization. Then you can mention whichever field that you wish to have in your organization. This feature allows user to personalize their profiles by including the relevant details that suits their need. Then you can mention it that you wish to see it in the dynamic report. You can click on the option to show in even the payroll report, and then if you don't want to wish, then you can just deselect it and have it saved, and similar reflections can be done in your profile section and the dynamic and the payroll reports. So this was all about the custom fields here. Thank you.